guys, so today I'm going to be filming a little bit more of a glam Valentine's Day look for you guys. I wanted to do something that was definitely on the more glam side, but also still easy for anybody to try. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so starting out with this look, I have already done my base and my brows. I'm currently baking under the eyes, and anywhere I tend to get like oily, highly recommend baking for my oily girls out there. If you tend to be on the more dry side, it might not be for you. I'm going to be using I got a new one. I'm going to be using the Stila Glitter and Glow. These are the liquid eyeshadows, and I got the shade Wanderlust. So here it is. It's so pretty. It has like really pretty pinky undertones. I'm not sure if you could see that. So I thought this is perfect to use for a glam Valentine's Day look. Before I get into anything else, let me just say apologize for the nails. They are not done right now. I have to go get gel on again. One started peeling off, and then I just kind of had to peel off the rest. First I'm going to use my Smashbox lid primer. Put that on the eye. I'm going to be setting my eyeshadow primer with my Kat Von D foundation powder because I do have oilier eyelids, and this is just another step to keep them in check. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn palette today. So I'm going to first go in with this shade right here. I don't know the name anymore because somehow I think Brayden accidentally threw away the insert. I think it had fallen out and I didn't realize it. We're just using this as our transition shade. And a fluffy big blending brush. Don't know if I said that. Now I'm going to take another fluffy blending brush, only it's a little bit more precise. And we're going to go in with this shade right here. Put that right in the outer corner first. And blend it into the crease. Gonna go back in with the brush we use for our transition shade and just blend the edges out a little bit. So I'm going to use my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to take just a tiny bit, like a pea size, and not even a pea size. And I'm going to tap it into the eye wherever I want that Stila glitter to go. I'm going to take that gorgeous Stila glitter. Once again, it's shade Wanderlust. And I'm going to use a precise flat brush. I'm going to tap it on there. And put it on. How pretty is that? It looks like you almost put like rose gold on your eye. Actual rose gold. I'm going to go back in with the brush we used for our crease. I'm going to take that same shade we used. I'm going to just make sure it's all blended together. I'm also going to take my finger and use this shade right here, which is a really pinky glittery color. It's a little bit deeper than the glitter. I'm going to press that like this and blend them together, just to give the eye more depth. And then I'm just going to blend that on the edges. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M321. I'm going to deepen this just a little bit more, and we're going to go in with this brown right here that's a little bit more chocolatey warm. And we're just going to use a little bit, tap off excess. I'm going to put that outer V. And then we're going to go in with the brush we used for our transition shade, excuse me, one more time. And once again, blend out any harsh edges. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M432 brush, and we're going to go in with the shade we use for our crease. And we're going to put that on our lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with a small blending brush. And we are going to take the shade we use for our transition, and we're going to blend out that lower lash line. I'm going to take a really tiny angled brush, very thin, We're going to go in with this pink shade right here. Super pretty. We're going to use that to highlight the inner corner. I'm going to take a powder brush and blend away all that baggage. I'm going to take my tattoo liner, line my eyes. Gonna wing it out. So if you have lashes, I highly recommend you use them, but I don't have any that I really like right now, so I'm just gonna use mascara today. But lashes with this look, definitely. We're just gonna mascara up our lashes using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm gonna take my Kat Von D contour palette, and we're going to use the lightest shade, and we're going to go ahead and contour. Get that forehead. Okay, for blush we're going to go ahead and go in with our Tarte Blush Bazaar, and I'm going to go ahead and use Skillful right here, which is a nice pinky pretty shade. We're going to tap it onto the cheeks and then blend it out. And for highlight, this is no surprise, we're going to use the Smashbox Spotlight palette. And I'm going to take my Morphe R36 and dip into these two shades. Gonna get just under the brow bone, nose, and keep it. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mega Liquid Catsup by Wet n Wild in the shade Gimme Mocha. And I'm gonna mix that with Nudist Peach, just to give it a little bit more of a pinky tone. And then we're just going to take our hair down. And this is our completed Valentine's Day look. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope everyone has a very happy Valentine's Day. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. This year, me and Brayden for Valentine's Day are going to go see 50 Shades Freed, which I'm sure a lot of people are doing. And then we're also going to get dinner. That's the same thing we did last year. We went and saw 50 Shades Darker. Just, you know, it's easy to just go see a movie. So, yeah, I hope you guys all have an amazing Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I always love new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!